Hey everybody, welcome back to BlenderBoyz at Home. You know, Christmas is coming, and we all know that it's not going to be the same Christmas as we've seen in the past, but there's still going to be an opportunity to entertain. Maybe just our bubble, maybe just our significant others, but we're still going to be able to entertain. Today we're going to do something a little bit different for us. We're going to use BlenderBoyz as an ingredient in a bigger drink. It's a hot drink, maybe something a little better for winter at this point. It is we're calling it a Christmas latte, and it's milk and original ice cap mix and a bunch of Christmas spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. Okay, so we've got a mixture of ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg here. We're going to put it in the hot milk. This is about 600 mils of hot milk. And we're putting in 2 pouches of BlenderBoyz Original Ice Cap. 1 and 2. There we go. And we're just going to put a half a teaspoon of vanilla. There we go. And we're going to give it a stir and let it come back up to a boil. Now this would probably be good if you wanted to. You could add rum or a little Baileys or Kahlua. But here it is, just a nice, warming Christmas drink. Okay, we're nice and hot now. As I said, we're going to get 2 cups here. Look at that, steady hand. There's 1. And there's 2. 2 cups of steaming Christmas latte. If you want to dress it up with a little bit of whipped cream, make a beautiful drink. Enjoy. Merry Christmas.
Follow us on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.